All right, so today my good sis is going to be cooking for me.
Cooking with Chef Nikki, you feel me? I'm certified, I'm trained, I'm a professional, and that's just what we're gonna do. So,
All right, so what's on the menu today?
what's on the menu?
Yeah.
It's a surprise.
All right, let's get to it. Here we go. All right.
On the menu, you feel me? We have spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
I'm making my good sis Shemaya some spaghetti, you know.
All right.
And you know what you gotta do at first? You know what you gotta do? You gotta get the pot and put the water. Get the pot and you put the water in, you know? And you wait for it to get better.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Like me.
Oh, anyways, back to the water.
Don't matter. So, you know, you wanna just fill it up like, you don't wanna fill it up all the way to the top, but like, you know, you wanna fill it up to about right here. And then we bring it over, over here. And we're gonna put it over here. No, we're gonna put it over here.
Put it over there.
And we're going to turn it on, and we're gonna put it on high.
On high, okay.
Because we want it to start boiling a little bit.
Alright.
And when it starts boiling a little bit, then we're gonna put in the spaghetti. Alright. So for myself, I'm gonna make potatoes. So you feel me? So I got 4 potatoes, you feel me? And I'm gonna cut them up, and then we're gonna put them in a pot, you know, they're gonna boil, and then you feel me? Like, potatoes to cook faster, you cut them into small chunks so that, you know, they're smaller. You feel me? So that's just the key, you know? The key to success, you feel me? I got the keys.
Don't ever say that ever
I
again.
got the keys, you feel me?
Okay, that was ugly.
You're ugly.
Ah. All right.
The water is starting to boil, as you can see.
Barely,
so
but.
Okay, but still. I'm gonna take the spaghetti and then you're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna stick it in.
I'm dead.
Sometimes it'll get on the side a little bit, but it's okay.
Right, don't put too much. I'm not gonna eat like all of it.
That's fine. Somebody else can eat it in the house. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you feel me? Now we gotta put the water in the pot.
All right, wrist work. I see that.
Well, duh. We'll take it over to the stove. You gotta be careful. Water can fall out.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Why was this on? Shemaya, oh my god.
Burn out the house. Okay.
No, legit, Shemaya, it was on. I don't know why. Oh my god, we accidentally leaned on it. We're not putting this part in. Okay, so now we're gonna be making the sauce. Some olive oil! Just around it, right?
Wow, just wifey material. Get you a Nikki, you feel me?
Get you a Nikki! Get you a Nikki!
I'm dead.
Get you a Nikki!
He's not paying no types of attention. Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Call me your wife. My little help. My little help is telling me that she likes the way that the noodles are, so I'm gonna turn them off. Feel me? And we're gonna drain them. We're gonna take it. Now we're gonna drain it.
Yum.
And then you know what we do? We add it right back. We wait for the water to be drained. And we put it back in. And now we add butter. Now we got the country crock. We're gonna take the country crock. And then we're gonna put it in the noodles. It's fresh. Cause I only do new things for my bag. I only do new things. Cause you know it's fresh, it's not open, so we're gonna take some. You feel me? We're gonna take like that. Would you like some a little bit more, or are you good?
I'm good. Look, no diabetes. You feel me?
Get the flick of the wrist. Oh!
With the wrist
Chef
motion.
Nikki with the pot, boy. Pepper and salt and pepper. We're gonna add some. We're gonna add a little bit though. So we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
And then we're gonna go a little bit. I like to add more salt and pepper because I think salt is better, you know? we're gonna mix it up. Now, my friend, we're not gonna add meat to this because my good sis,
Team vegetarian.
Vegetarian. So, you know, we about to turn the sauce off. Sauce is done. For my good sis. I made this and this for my good sis.
Now we're gonna taste test it, see if she really got it or whatever.
I got it. This is the big moment, you know, I cooked for my good sis, and she's gonna tell me if it's good or not, so.
Try this out, okay?
Let's see.
Take a good big old bite, alright?
Mm-hmm. What?
It's good, it's good, it's good.
Is it really good, or are you lying?
I'm lying, it's good, it's really good.
Say you swear.
I give you like A minus, you feel me?
A minus?
Presentation could have been a little bit better or whatever.
Because the what?
Presentation could have been a little bit better. You know?
So I did good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yay. So you guys, I'm a chef. Chef Nikki in the cut. So, if you ever need food cooked, don't hit me up because I won't cook for you. And that's just how it is, so, yeah.
All right, so look what this look. Wow.
Hey, guess what? I have more for you. Shut the fuck up.
Wow.
I have more for you.
Really just for my food? Oh, wow, that's crazy.
What? I didn't think it was gonna slide off.
All right.
I didn't think. So you feel me? We got the leftover chicken. So what we finna do? We finna put it in the microwave. You feel me? Checking the potatoes, and the potatoes are soft. So you know what we finna do? We finna do what it do.
Do what it do.
We gonna turn it on. And we just do like this. You feel me? And we just do what it do. We do
what it do.
what it do. We got the
Butter.
country crop. And we're gonna take a lot. Okay, so we about to make some spinach. So we finna put the oil, you feel me though? That was a lot, but whatever. We gotta put it low, you feel me? Cause spinach be cooking like, you feel me? And a little bit like, cause we healthy around here.
Healthy around here.
I'm gonna take it. And we finna just put it beautifully. And you put a lot, cause when you cook spinach, y'all, it shrinks.
It shrinks.
It skrinks.
It what?
It skrinks.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it like that. Now we're gonna cook it. Look at the
my good sis just added some butter and some
butter.
Oh wait.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Alright.
Salt and pepper.
Look at that. Look at that. 5-star, you feel me?
Duh. See how it gets smaller as you cook it?
I know, it's barely any.
Yeah, exactly. I don't need a lot. Alright, so you feel me? The spinach is done. We're gonna take some of the chicken, put it on our plate. You feel me? You feel me though?
I feel you.
Or all of the chicken?
Keep it a buck.
Keep it a buck with you?
I feel you.
Y'all feel me? We're gonna take some potato. Now I like potato. Y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, you got a lot of potato, but I like potatoes, so.
Mind you, this is what Nicola eats like every single day.
Shh. Shut up.
Alright, we're good.
And spinach is done. Fresh out the, you know, out the box. You feel me?
The box.
I like to put some of the, you know, the sauce thingy. And then take some and put it on the plate. And, bang, bang. That's our food. Chef Nikki. So,
oh.
You heard that, kids? They're great.
That was so.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, you know, I enjoyed cooking with Chef Nikki. You feel me? So, yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Ew, no.
No, you do.
Yum.
You didn't freaking take a bite.
Oh.
Bloopers.
Okay.
Samaya!
Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. Next thing. I think I like a little bite. Alright.
Oh. Diabetes, you're not welcome, but you feel me? We're gonna take, oh man.
Wow. Nikki's just spilling everything today.
Just Femijola. I'm gonna take a little bit. Pierre, I want you to know that me spilling the spaghetti was all your fault. It was all your fault. Cause you freaking talking about some, let me see. How you gonna see?
I didn't say let me see.
Yes, you did.
I said what kind of spaghetti is it? Like, oh, the regular one, look. And you salted.
I don't recall, you're lying.
So whose fault is it really?
Find out next time.